Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Arbe, a leader in perception radar solutions. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Arbe has just released their Q4 and full year 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives in the radar technology space.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Arbe reported a revenue of $0.1 million for Q4 2024, a significant drop from $0.35 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are the factors contributing to this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to the extended decision timelines in the automotive industry, which have delayed the rollout of advanced driver assistance systems. This has impacted Arbe's ability to convert their strong pipeline into actual sales.
And how about their profitability?
Arbe's net loss for Q4 2024 was $12.2 million, up from $9.3 million in Q4 2023. The increase in net loss is largely due to higher operating expenses, including non-cash share-based compensation and production ramp-up costs. Their adjusted EBITDA also showed a loss of $9 million compared to a loss of $8.2 million in the previous year.
Strategic initiatives and collaborations. Despite the financial challenges, Arbe has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us more about their recent initiatives and collaborations?
Absolutely. Arbe successfully raised approximately $70 million through various fundraising activities, which strengthens their financial position. They have also expanded their OEM engagements, with 15 active projects and 11 in the bid stage. Notably, their chipset was selected by a top 10 global OEM for next-generation imaging radar development.
And what about their collaboration with NVIDIA?
Arbe has partnered with NVIDIA to enhance radar-based free space mapping and AI-driven capabilities. This collaboration was showcased at CES 2025, highlighting Arbe's integration with NVIDIA's Drive AGX platform, which is a significant step in advancing their radar technology.
Financial position and future outlook. Let's discuss Arbe's financial position and their outlook for 2025. How are they positioned in terms of liquidity and future growth?
As of December 31st, 2024, Arbe had $24.6 million in cash and cash equivalents. With the recent capital raise, they have bolstered their balance sheet significantly. For 2025, they project revenues between $2 million and $5 million, with expectations of stronger performance towards the end of the year.
What are their expectations for adjusted EBITDA in 2025?
Arbe anticipates an adjusted EBITDA loss ranging from $29 million to $35 million for 2025. Despite the short-term financial challenges, they are optimistic about the growing demand for their radar technology, not only in the automotive sector, but also in emerging verticals.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of -10 cents. How did Arbe perform in this regard?
Arbe reported an adjusted EPS of 11 cents, slightly missing the forecast of 10s. The net loss per share was -15 cents, reflecting the increased operating expenses and the challenges in revenue generation.
What does this mean for investors?
While the EPS miss is a concern, the company's strategic initiatives and strong investor confidence, as evidenced by their successful capital raise, suggest that Arbe is focused on long-term growth and market expansion.
Key takeaways. In summary, Arbe has faced some financial challenges in 2024, with a decline in revenue and a slight miss on EPS expectations. However, their strategic initiatives, including a successful capital raise and strong OEM engagements, position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Arbe's focus on expanding their radar technology and securing key collaborations, like the one with NVIDIA, is promising. While there are short-term hurdles, their long-term prospects remain strong, especially with the growing demand for advanced radar solutions.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Arbe's performance in the comments below.